Welcome to 5099 Flag Street in the Enclave at Forest Lakes, an exceptional home in a desirable gated community in the heart of Sarasota. This meticulously maintained home is the perfect blend of elegance and ease, offering an open floor plan, abundant natural light, and over $60,000 in builder upgrades. Designed for both luxury and comfort, this single-story residence features 2 bedrooms, a dedicated office/den with double French doors, and 2 bathrooms. Step inside to 9 feet ceilings, 8 feet paneled doors, and rich hardwood flooring throughout, with stylish tile in both bathrooms. The open concept living area flows into the stunning chef's kitchen, with beautiful light cabinetry featuring pull-out pot drawers, slide-out shelves, a slide-out waste bin, glass front upper cabinets, and a pantry. The kitchen is beautifully finished with quartz countertops, a large island and a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a marble backsplash. The primary suite is a private retreat with a tray ceiling, ensuite bath, walk-in shower, dual sinks, upgraded quartz counters, a linen closet, and a water closet. The guest bedroom and second bath provide a welcoming space for visitors. The great room opens to a full-width covered and screened lanai complete with 2 remote-controlled fans and 2 ceiling speakers, creating the perfect space to relax and enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Located in the maintenance-free, gated community of Enclave at Forest Lakes, residents enjoy access to a heated resort-style pool, pavilion, and dog park. In the immediate neighborhood you can enjoy a short walk or bike ride to the Legacy Trail, Palm Golf Course, as well as a selection of restaurants and shops. A few minutes drive gets you to downtown Sarasota and all of its cultural events, recreational and waterfront activities, top restaurants, Siesta Key Beach, and much more.